Textiles is a very power intensive business, and at Sapphire Textiles, renewable energy is the only way forward. DS has had a very proactive approach to our project, and I really believe that they have the right expertise with regards to solar power. We have installed 5 megawatts of solar power on the rooftop of our weaving and processing facility with DS Energy, and the panels are directly connected to the LT panels. We can maximize the power generation and the power factor.